We'll guide you through how to do a speed ramp in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Speed ramping is a cool effect you can go and do, as you can go and adjust the speed throughout the video. You may want it to suddenly speed up and then slow down. So to go and get started, add in the clip you want to do this with and select it in your timeline. Then what you need to do is head to the top right, and there you'll go and see the option for speed. You can go and click there. Now what you need to do is go and find the option for curve. This is essentially the speed ramp, so you can click on it. Now you're going to go and see some different presets here. If you want to, you can go and do a custom option, so you can tap here, and you can then go and choose the point where you want it to go and suddenly speed up, or perhaps you want to go and suddenly speed it down, and you can go and adjust how quickly this goes and happens as well. And you can then go and see it in the timeline as well. And then what we can do is we can go and play it back, and you'll go and see that it will go and suddenly speed up at that point, as you can see. If you found this useful, then leave a like.